Coming up, a special update on the COVID-19 pandemic and how it's affecting northern Arizona. The news starts now.
You're watching NAZ Today, Northern Arizona's local news.
Good evening and welcome to a special edition of NAZ Today. I'm Aaron Vitatoe.
And I'm Chelsea Parker. The coronavirus pandemic is accelerating and the number of confirmed cases in northern Arizona continues to rise. We want to bring you the latest on what we know for today.
That's right. We'll be monitoring the infection numbers and what is happening in our county, state, and country daily in order to provide you with the most accurate information.
The first death in Coconino County has been announced. Health officials say it was a man in his 50s with underlying health conditions. That brings the statewide death toll for coronavirus to 6 as of midday Wednesday.
The Coconino County Health Department is working to identify and contact anyone who may have been in close contact with the man who died from the virus. These individuals will be asked to quarantine or isolate and will be monitored for fever and respiratory symptoms.
And as of noon today, there are 401 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Arizona. More than half of those are in Maricopa County, and 72 of them are here in northern Arizona.
As of yesterday, 393 people have been tested in Coconino County, with 220 being negative and 173 still pending results. In Yavapai County, 124 tests were taken, with 106 being negative and 14 still pending.
And let's take a closer look at each county in northern Arizona. The Navajo County is where we are seeing the highest number, with 37 confirmed cases of the coronavirus. Coconino County has 23, Yavapai County has 4 cases, 3 of those in Sedona and 1 in Prescott, and 7 in Apache. And Mohave County saw its first confirmed case late Tuesday night, an adult in Lake Havasu City who is recovering at home. On the Navajo Nation, President Jonathan NAZ reported 49 presumptive positive tests as of Tuesday night.
Around the globe, we are seeing more than 418,000 cases of the virus, and of that, over 52,000 are in the United States. All of these numbers are continuing to increase, and we will keep you updated as the numbers roll in.
NAU is canceling the in-person commencement ceremony for graduating seniors this spring. In a letter released Tuesday, University President Rita Chang said a virtual online graduation ceremony is in the works. In the letter, President Chang says the decision is necessary to ensure the safety, health, and well-being of the community. The in-person ceremony was scheduled for May 8th and 9th. Details of the planned virtual ceremony have yet not been released. However, all graduating seniors, nearly 6,000, are being invited to walk the line in a special ceremony being held on December 12th.
Coconino National Forest has announced that they are closing developed recreation and day use sites to limit the spread of the coronavirus. They say that the vast majority of the forest will remain open to enjoy outdoor activities that support social distancing, such as hiking, biking, and camping. The full list of closed areas is available on our Facebook page and on our website at naztoday.com.
In addition to these restrictions, Flagstaff restaurants, bars, and entertainment venues remain closed after Mayor Coral Evans issued an order on March 17th. Many restaurants are still offering takeout and delivery, but have closed their dining areas. Local grocery stores have taken precautions to space out checkout lines and ensure they support social distancing. In addition to these precautions, grocery stores are also limiting the number of high-demand items bought per customer. These items include toilet paper, paper towels, and various cleaning products.
Flagstaff Mayor Coral Evans joins 4 other Arizona mayors in drafting a letter to Governor Doug Ducey addressing his efforts to reduce the spread of COVID-19 statewide. The letter calls for more action across the state, including more restrictions to stop the spread before it starts in counties without reported cases and a temporary halt on evictions.
Extraordinary measures are being taken to try to reduce the spread of coronavirus around the world. Schools are being closed or moving to online classes, non-essential businesses are shut down, and major events are canceled or postponed.
Here in the U.S., 19 states are under a stay-at-home order, but Governor Doug Ducey says he does not plan on issuing one for Arizona just yet. In a news conference on Monday, Ducey said that Arizona is not there yet. We're not at the same stage as other states. Ducey says he is working with guidance from the CDC and the Department of Health Services and is listening to subject matter experts.
Today, Ducey issued an executive order requiring healthcare insurance companies to expand telemedicine coverage for all services that would normally be covered for in-person visits. The order helps ensure that Arizonans who may be sick or under quarantine can access care from their homes and avoid potentially risky trips to a healthcare provider. It remains in effect until the termination of the declared public health emergency.
In an executive order Tuesday, Ducey says he is delaying the enforcement of eviction action orders for renters impacted by COVID-19. The order applies to renters who are quarantined due to the virus or are facing economic hardship as a result of the outbreak. It will remain in effect for 120 days. The Arizona Department of Housing is offering assistance to Arizonans struggling to make mortgage payments. Through the department's Save Our Home AZ program, Arizonans may qualify for principal reduction assistance, monthly mortgage subsidy assistance for under and unemployed Arizonans, and second lien elimination assistance.
Coconino County issued a press release over the weekend saying it needs federal and state governments to supply additional financial aid, test kits, and personal protection equipment for healthcare workers, and that they may have to stop testing for the coronavirus this week because of a lack of resources. The COVID-19 drive-up specimen collection site will change as a result of limited supplies. There will only be one site operating from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Coconino Community College East Campus on 4th Street in Flagstaff while supplies lasts. There will no longer be a site at Fort Tuthill.
Coconino County health officials are urging community members to take precautions. They say that these are the best way to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Practice social distancing, much like we are today. Stay 6 feet away from others and avoid physical contact. As you notice, our anchors and crew are following social distance rules as we produce this video. It is also important to frequently wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your face and generally follow the safety guidelines that you would use to avoid the cold or the flu.
NAZ Today will keep covering this pandemic, and we will be back with more in-depth stories.
In the meantime, we are actively sharing the latest information on our Facebook page, Twitter, YouTube, and our new and improved website at naztoday.com, so be sure to follow us there. Thanks for watching.